Today I want to talk to you about this foldable, no installation, which is the best thing ever, Allstand 3-tier bookshelf. And I want to thank the company so much for sending it to me to test and try out. I'm so sick of putting stuff together. I don't know how everyone else feels when directions are just terrible. And this is absolutely no installation, and then it folds up. So let me show you how it came in the box and how you set it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like with nothing on it. I just want to show you these shelves. They fold up. And then those fold in. This is how it came straight out of the box. This is all assembled. Maybe the only thing I had to put on were the feet bottoms, but you just screw those in. I'm just going to set it up. So say I had this away storage or I just got it. All I'm going to do is open it up, and you can see there's little hooks here where the bookshelf fits into, and it's all set up. I don't know how long that took, but not long. And I just want to show you closer how it works. The two side pieces have 3 of these hooks, as you can see on each side, because each shelf has 2 of these on each side. So they fit right and easily onto them, and it makes them secure. And then also it has this little hole here, and it came with hardware if you wanted to anchor this to your wall, if you have little ones or you just wanted it more secure. Now I am just going to put some decorations on it. And it is that simple and easy. I love how it looks. They have different sizes too. They have 5-tier one, 4-tier one, and this is just the 3-tier shelf. If you're looking for some decor and some shelving that you could easily move around that requires absolutely no installation, definitely check out this Allstand bookshelf.